right there on my toolbar. All right, let's go back to, let's take a look right here. This is your select tool. So right now I don't have anything selected, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. Here is our pen tool. I'm going to go ahead and hit options right here. Your pen tool is set up that you can make adjustments, settings to this part and also this part. And so you can adjust the different thickness. So right now I'm coloring with the black line. And if I went in and on this end, I have it set up like a little bit of a blue color right there. But I can also adjust the thickness on that. So I can make it bigger, just like this. All right, so if I'm writing down numbers, all right. So again, with my select tool, if I wanted to, I can just select something like that and then move it around. And I can even delete that part, which is really nice. We're going to talk a lot more in the select tool in a little bit. Let's go back to my pen. I'm going to go ahead and clean all. And let's go back here to the pen. There's a really cool option right here. I'm going to choose this part here. It's like a magic wand. So I'm going to check the magic wand. My son will play with this part for hours. So let's say I want to make a house. All right. So if you're not very good at drawing a house, just draw your basic house like that. Boom. It'll give you some different options that you can choose for a better house. There you go. So like I said, my son will just have so much fun. Let me see if I can do it. Like an axe or a hammer or something like that. Here's a hammer. They got some really fun things. I wonder if I can do a cat. All right. Yeah, they do actually have a cat, and they have all different options for that cat. So if you're a teacher and you want to, make a presentation, like right here, I kind of made like I was hoping to move that, and I used my finger instead of the select key. So I just go over here and hit undo. They do have multiple undos. So let's say I want to make a presentation, and I'm going to put cat right there. And now I'm going to write the word cat. All right, check this out. I love this. So right now I'm going to go back to my pen tool. I want to take off that selection tool because I want to start writing with my pen. And now all set to go. So I'm going to write the word cat right here. All right. I don't have the best penmanship out there, so if you want more professional looking penmanship, you just hit that select tool right here, circle the word cat. I only circled the letters CA, so let's go ahead and select all those letters right here. Now I'm going to go over to an option called Smart Write. So I click on Smart Write, and now it gives me different options for the word cat. This one has a capital C, this one has a regular C, so whatever you want, go ahead, boom, you're all set to go. Very nice. I just love that. And everything right here is movable. You can copy things with that select tool. So if I want to go over here and copy this house, I just hit clone, and now I got another house. And now I can move that around. Click on this house, move this around here. So you can have some fun doing some things like that. Now, if you ever do a you make something like that,